We are very happy with Dockweiler as a supplier because in case there is an issue or there is a different situation in the project, there is always somebody we can talk to and find solutions.
I would say in every skid where the GEMI valve is installed, it is installed in the Dockweiler pipe and tubing. And so that's it. So if we're talking with customers, we are in the same area, have the same customers as Dockweiler, and so we are very close with all the documentation and all that. And this is, I would say, we are very close in the same area to work, especially in the pharma companies.
My first project by Faith is the pharma project, and it's very impressive that the Dockweiler can afford all the documentation, what's GMP relevant, and it's very easy to accessible to the documents online every time, and I must say it saves us very much time and to our end customer, and it's very good.
Dockweiler Open House is a great opportunity to bring people together from different areas, from different branches, from supplier side, from customer side, and that people are getting together to find solutions for different challenges and for the next projects together.
I would say it will not working if only one company do it alone. So if we talk about it and we do it together, then it makes it easier, because then one system should be work with the other, so that the data from the planning to the manufacturer, to skilled builders, to the owner operators should be straight in one flow, and then all of them can participate from the digitalization. And I think this makes it an event like this perfect, because there are all these are here, and so we can talk together and explain, and we can share our experience, how we have handled it. We are from GEMI, also a manufacturer, typical German one, with a lot of stainless steel. And I would say we have the same opportunities the Dockweiler have in this case.